Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to download the Trust Wallet app on your phone. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Helpline, and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the Play Store or the App Store on your phone and tap the search bar. Here, type Trust Wallet and search. Tap Install. Once the app is installed, open it. So that's how you download the Trust Wallet app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.